Welcome back to Arch Zenith. Have you ever stepped into a room and instantly felt calmer, like you could finally breathe? Chances are that space had a connection to nature. And today, we're diving into how you can bring that same refreshing energy into your own home, even if your space is small. Welcome to the world of biophilic design, where cozy meets green, and where nature doesn't just decorate your home, it transforms the way you feel inside it. In 2025, interior design is shifting more than ever towards sustainability, wellness, and intentional living. People aren't just designing for looks, they're designing for how a space makes them feel. And if you live in a small apartment, studio, or compact house, this approach is a game changer. You can transform even the tiniest corner into a lush sanctuary without losing functionality or style. So in this video, we'll explore how to transform your small space with biophilic design, from smart indoor plant choices to natural materials, vertical gardens, sustainable lighting, and cozy eco-friendly touches. By the end, you'll have fresh, practical ideas that can instantly turn your home into a personal retreat. Let's dive in and create a home that doesn't just look beautiful, but also helps you breathe easier, live better, and feel truly at peace. Segment 1. What is biophilic design, and why does it matter? Biophilic design is more than just decorating with plants. It's about creating spaces that mimic the natural environments where humans feel most comfortable. The word biophilia literally means love of life, and it taps into our innate desire to connect with nature. Research has shown that bringing natural elements indoors can lower stress, boost creativity, and even improve air quality. For small spaces, this isn't just a design trend, it's a lifestyle choice that makes your home healthier and more inviting. When we think of biophilic design, we often imagine sprawling greenhouses or eco-luxury homes, but the beauty of this approach is that it adapts beautifully to compact living. In fact, the smaller the space, the bigger the impact when you incorporate natural elements. A single plant in the right spot, a warm wooden accent, or a soft ray of sunlight can transform a room from sterile to soulful. So before we dive into the practical ideas, remember this: you don't need a huge budget or endless square footage. Biophilic design is about intention. It's about choosing a few natural elements and arranging them in ways that bring harmony, light, and calm into your daily life. Segment 2. Maximizing natural light in small spaces. Light is one of the most important elements of biophilic design. If you're working with a small space, the way you harness and direct natural light can make all the difference. Start by keeping windows clear of heavy curtains. Instead, opt for sheer organic fabrics, like linen or cotton, that allow light to filter in softly, while still giving you privacy. Mirrors are another trick. Placing them opposite a window bounces light around the room, making the space feel larger and more vibrant. Another trending idea for 2025 is using smart skylights or solar tubes in small apartments or tiny homes. Even if you don't have huge windows, these innovations channel daylight into darker areas of the home, such as hallways or bathrooms. Natural light not only brightens your space, but also supports your circadian rhythm, helping you sleep better and feel more energized. For renters or those who can't renovate, LED grow lights styled as pendant lamps are a great alternative. They give your plants the light they need, while also doubling as a cozy source of warm, ambient lighting. These solutions fall under trending keywords like small apartment lighting ideas and cozy natural light hacks, topics that are capturing huge interest in 2025. So, whether it's optimizing a window, adding reflective surfaces, or installing eco-friendly light solutions, remember, natural light doesn't just illuminate, it heals, uplifts, and makes your small space feel like a retreat. Segment 3. Greenery as the heart of biophilic design. Of course, plants are at the heart of any biophilic design. But in a small space, it's not about filling every corner with greenery. It's about choosing plants that thrive indoors and arranging them in ways that maximize both beauty and function. Think vertical gardens, hanging planters, or even a simple shelf filled with trailing greenery like pothos or ivy. These solutions add life without taking up precious floor space. One of the most exciting trends in 2025 is the indoor jungle aesthetic, with smart plant care systems. Self-watering planters and app-connected sensors now make it easier than ever to maintain lush greenery, even if you don't have a green thumb. If you're dealing with very limited space, focus on one impactful statement plant, like a fiddle leaf fig, a rubber plant, or a monstera. Pair it with smaller air-purifying plants like peace lilies, snake plants, or ZZ plants. Not only do they clean the air, but they also create that cozy, lived-in atmosphere that makes your space feel like a personal oasis. And don't forget about edible greenery. Tiny herb gardens on a windowsill or kitchen wall not only connect you with nature, but also bring flavor to your meals. Imagine sipping tea made from fresh mint leaves you grew yourself. That's the essence of cozy, sustainable living. Segment 4. Natural materials and textures for a cozy feel. Biophilic design isn't just about what you see, it's also about what you feel. Natural materials like reclaimed wood, rattan, jute, stone, and organic cotton create tactile experiences that remind us of the outdoors. In a small space, even small accents make a huge difference. A wooden side table, a woven rug, or clay pottery can ground your design in natural warmth. In 2025, one of the rising trends is blending sustainable decor with biophilic elements. Upcycled furniture, bamboo shelving, and stone-inspired tiles are gaining popularity because they are eco-friendly and aesthetically pleasing. Textures also play a key role in coziness. Instead of filling a room with synthetic fabrics, switch to soft organic throws, wool cushions, or linen bedding. These natural textiles not only feel better against your skin, but also age gracefully, adding character over time. Pairing these textures with greenery creates a space that feels alive and comforting. Finally, balance is important. A clutter-free environment allows natural materials to shine. Combine minimalist storage solutions with earthy decor, and you'll strike that sweet spot between cozy and calm, a perfect reflection of mindful living in 2025. Segment 5. Creating your own biophilic retreat. Now that we've talked about light, greenery, and textures, let's put it all together. Transforming your small space with biophilic design is about layering these elements in a way that feels personal and intentional. Maybe it starts with a corner filled with plants and natural light. Add a comfy chair, a small wooden table, and soft textiles, and suddenly you've created a little retreat within your home. One powerful idea trending in 2025 is indoor-outdoor integration. Even if you live in an apartment, opening windows, using sliding glass doors, or even decorating a small balcony with greenery can blur the line between inside and outside. This creates a seamless flow that expands the feeling of your small space. Biophilic design isn't about perfection, it's about connection. Whether it's the smell of fresh herbs, the touch of a wooden surface, or the sight of trailing vines, each element adds to a sensory experience that calms and inspires you. And the best part, you can start small. One plant, one rug, one ray of sunlight can be the beginning of your transformation. So, if you've been looking for a way to make your compact space feel bigger, brighter, and more alive, biophilic design is the answer. It's cozy, It's green, and it's exactly what our homes and our hearts need in 2025. Thank you for joining me on this journey into biophilic design. If you're ready to transform your small space into a cozy, green sanctuary, start today with just one natural element. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more interior design inspiration, and share your favorite biophilic design ideas in the comments below. Together, let's bring more life, light, and nature into our homes.